that new camera angle is not going to work at all. I could just tell. Oh man, I hope that thing stays on. Might have missed the window for the good sun, but I gotta get out. Make an attempt at doing a vlog here. It's been raining for a week and it's gonna rain the whole weekend, and this is Friday evening and gotta do a vlog and gotta get out on the bike. So it's definitely a okay looking sunset, but there's a huge bank of clouds that, if that weren't in the way, move the rear facing camera because I don't like it right here. But that arm that it's on wobbles way too much. Jesus Christ. Well, that's a failed idea. I'm gonna have to put it back here. This may end up just being a motorcycle ride. Lighten it up in post-production. Sure wish that bank of clouds wasn't there. Yeah, that camera wobbles too much. It's got to go back here. I just find it annoying right here. Not for me, but for the viewer. And we've got clouds coming in. More rain. So I've got all sorts of camera mounts that haven't worked. This one didn't work. That one didn't work. Damn grooves in the road, driving me crazy. You over there? Nobody over there. I don't like this guy. He's all like, nah. I'm like, fuck you. Get in the background. I'm not feeling the vlog, man. Maybe I'll get downtown and start in on it. Oh man, that barrel, that barrel was out there a ways. I'm a bit of a freak about distractions. Like there's a bug over here. I don't like that. It bugs me. I don't know. I have this thing about clear vision. I do like the grip buddies. They are working well. Mainly, all I have to do is rest my hand and pull back slightly. I don't need to grab hard onto the thin grip and then pull back. So I can open up my hand and just pull back slightly. What are you racing with me, honey? I missed my exit. So let's see where the next exit is. We got a mile, huh? It's nice to ride with cool temperatures. This is just like heaven. I hope that God. Shit. Hail, shit. Hail, shit, hail. I don't know, I can't tell. It feels like hail, maybe it's just rain. This sucks. Beat my way back home. I'm not going to be able to see what the I'm doing. Funny, I was talking about how I don't like stuff on the visor. Interferes with my vision. God knows what the hell y'all can see on the video. Probably nothing. Hate. Riding in the rain.
And that concludes our broadcast day.
Like and subscribe.